Look at what you can do with a simple tomato. To speed things up, we've already sliced a tomato into rounds and spread them out in the skillet. Sprinkle about 3 tablespoons of wheat flour over each slice on both sides. Flip the slices and finish coating them with flour. Next, in a bowl, add 1 egg and season with salt, crushed pepper, paprika, oregano, and fried garlic to taste. Beat it all together, making sure the seasonings are well incorporated. Now, dip each tomato slice into the egg mixture on all sides. Then coat them evenly with cornmeal. Once again in the beaten egg. And finally in the cornmeal. Once that's done, heat some oil in a skillet and add the tomato slices. Let them fry on low heat for about 5 minutes. Flip them as needed to ensure they're golden and crispy on both sides. Once they're perfectly crispy, remove them from the skillet. And that's it. Our breaded tomato slices are golden and super crunchy, with layers of flavor from the seasoning and the cornmeal coating. It's a simple, quick, and delicious option to serve as a snack or side dish. If you like the idea, give us a like, subscribe to the channel for more, and of course, let us know in the comments what you think. That's it for today. See you next time.